Here is a short video about how to say email addresses in English. There are a few symbols you should know. The first one is at. The A with the circle, we say at. The second one is the period, and we say dot. We do not say point, we do not say period. We say dot for email and websites. So these are some common endings here. We have .com, .com. So that's common for email, right? Google.com, Yahoo.com, Hotmail.com. We have edu, which is used for education. So you see that for schools and for universities. So we have pcc.edu. Then we have org, and we usually say org.org. This means organization, and you see it a lot for, it's kind of like .com. And the last one is gov, so .gov. We use that for government offices. So we have .com, .edu, .org, .gov. So we're going to practice a few. So how would you say this email address? Okay. For this one, we would say bob.jones@gmail.com. bob.jones@gmail.com. This email address, ilovecats@hotmail.com. jlb424@yahoo.com. This is my email address. So tara.larson@pcc.edu. And this one is brown@oregon.gov. So this oregon.gov is for the state of Oregon, people who work for the state of Oregon. That is all for now.